Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today we are making a logo for a fashion company that sells stylish jeans. Target audience is parents and wants to convey a sense of delight and at the same time being old fashioned. So let's start with the research and look for an idea for logo that would match the description. Please stay tuned and watch entire video. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do right now and share the video to your friends. Thank you.